Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today 3 packages have came, so let's open them. Okay, I got Zootropolis Judy's Dream Files. This is to celebrate Quadruple 2 coming out. Oh yeah, really great book. Okay, next one up is a big package. Oh sorry guys, it's a battery percentage thing message. After this I'll have to charge my phone or something. Yeah. Okay. And got Page Master on VHS. It's a very good movie. I can't wait to watch it. I like how it's got the iconic light blue on it, so it can make it magical. The last one up is one by Awesome Books, I guess. Okay. And this is Watership Down, Primrose's Great Escape. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry guys, my nan's singing the Strictly theme. I hate Strictly. Anyways guys, that's going to be it for like all 3 of them, so yeah. Oh yeah guys, I kind of made a typo, my mistake. I had 4 items delivered to me, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see what's in this one. Oh yeah. So it's a big one, this one. Oh yeah. Yeah, here it is, How My Body Works Eating, which is actually based on a series of these books called what's it called now? Once Upon a Time Life. That's it. So yeah. So Peter C. Oh, what the hell? But yeah. Looks really great, this. I like the visuals on it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Really good. Yeah. Oh yeah, thanks for watching and peace.